Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share my journey with you. How did I learn English? Means I was also very weak. I had completed my graduation, and after that I thought that I should join any English medium school. And after thinking this, I went to a school that was an English medium school, and I went there and I tried to join that school, but that time I was unable to speak English fluently. So their principal told me that you go and learn English, then come back. And that time I thought that I should learn English because English is very necessary for all of us. Whenever I try to get a job, uh, especially private job, then English is very necessary. So I joined an institute, an English spoken institute. There I learned, but I felt that it is very difficult to learn there. And they give different types of sentences to learn, and different types of vocabulary. They taught us grammar also, but after learning grammar, I felt that it is difficult to speak English, because first of all we should know the sentence pattern. Okay, if we know the sentence pattern, then we can speak English. We can speak different types of sentences following that pattern. So after that I started preparation for bank examination, and there one teacher told me that you should read newspaper. Okay, you read newspaper and different types of story book. From there you can learn the sentence pattern, and you can learn the vocabulary. And he told that if you will see newspaper, or if you will hear a conversation on TV, okay, and on book, if you will see the conversation, then you can learn, the vocab which we use in daily life. So if you want to speak English, you should learn those type of vocabulary which are very useful for mm, daily life conversation. From there I thought that, this trick is mm, very important. And from that day I started reading newspaper and small story books. And from those stories I learned the sentence pattern. And from that time I and when I was in the English spoken institute, there I also learned something, because in that institute sir gave us a podium. And in every week we all should go one by one, mm, to the podium, and we spoke, we gave a speech, 5 or 10 line speech. We should deliver any speech. We should tell about ourselves. So that was very important. That was means from there I grow my confidence level. And after again I went to a school, and that time I was speaking English fluently. And again I went to an English medium school, and she hired me as a teacher. So I thought, oh, it is very useful. Means English is very useful. If we learn English, then it will work everywhere. So Guys, I want to give you tips. If you want to learn English, then you can hear conversation, you can learn, you can read newspaper, you can read short stories also, and it will be very useful for you. First of all, you join my channel, and on this channel you can see different types of tips and tricks also, and different types of useful sentence patterns. So it is very necessary to subscribe my channel, and you subscribe my channel and you learn different types of tips and tricks, English spoken courses, grammar, and Hindi matra also. So guys, now you will I will give another video tomorrow. Till then, bye bye.